Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a Microsoft Teams tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Microsoft account and sign into Microsoft Teams. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button and click it. This will take you to the login page where we'll begin creating your account. On the sign in page, you'll see a small link that says create one just beneath the email field. Click on this link to start the account creation process. First, enter your preferred email address, one you check often since Microsoft will use it for important account communications. Once you've typed it in, click Next. Now, create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. After typing your password, click Next again. You will be asked for some personal information, starting with your date of birth. Make sure to enter it accurately, as it can be used for account recovery in the future. Click Next when you're done. Then enter your first and last name. This will be linked to your Microsoft account. Click Next one final time to continue. If everything has been filled out correctly, you will see a confirmation screen letting you know your account is ready. Now you can log into Microsoft Teams using the email and password you just created. This same account also gives you access to other Microsoft services like OneDrive and Office Online. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Microsoft account. Enjoy exploring Teams, and I'll see you in the next guide.